Okay, so we're all set with our departments table. I'm going to close it. Yes, we'll save our changes. And so that we can move on to the next thing. So the next thing we're going to do is step 10, create a form from the administrators table. So I'm going to choose the administrators table over here in the navigation pane. Go to the Create tab and just click on the Form button. We're going to change the title up here by adding the word Form. I'm going to choose it again and go back to the Home ribbon and increase the font size. Change the font color and maybe the style. We're going to shorten the text box labeled with, just drag it in about halfway. We're going to add a light colored background to the data labels. I'm going to click on the first one, hold my Shift key down and click on the last one so they're all selected. I'm on the Home ribbon in the text formatting group, the fill bucket, and I'll choose a light fill color so that we can still read the text in there. We're going to bold that text. And then we're going to save this form as administrator's form. Again, if I just go to close the form, it will prompt me to save it. And I can give it a name, administrator's form. Or I could have clicked on the floppy disk icon up here. I'll say OK. But now it's all closed. Before we start creating our queries or our reports, we're going to create our one-to-many relationship. So we're going to go to Database Tools, Relationships. I'm going to double-click to add the Administrators table and double-click to add the Departments table and close this dialog box. If you double-click too many times, you can always just click on one of these and use the Delete key on your keyboard to get rid of it. We're going to open these up, and then we're going to look to see we have 2 primary keys and 1 foreign key. This foreign key is the same as the primary key in a different table. So the administrator's table has a department ID foreign key. So we're going to click on our primary key. Nothing's really going to happen. And when we're touching our department ID over here, we'll let go. We'll click to enforce referential integrity and we'll choose Create. And now we have a one-to-many relationship, one department where many employees might be working. We can close this, save it yes, and move forward with our work.